Our number 5 pick, which might surprise some of you, it's the Intel Arc B580. Now, you might be thinking Intel, but stick with me here, because this card carves out a really interesting spot for itself. First, let's talk about who this is for. If you're a gamer looking for a great experience at 1080p with ultra settings, or even pushing into 1440p, this GPU simply delivers. It handles high refresh rates in esports titles without breaking a sweat. So, for pure gaming, it's a solid contender. But the thing is, its real secret weapon isn't just for gaming. It's for creators. This is because it has fantastic AV1 hardware encoding. In simple words, that means if you stream or edit videos, this card can encode 4K footage incredibly fast and efficiently. It's a feature you typically find in much pricier options, making this a standout for budget-conscious creators. It also comes with 12GB of VRAM, which gives it an edge in longevity over some popular 8GB cards on the market. That extra memory can make a real difference in modern games. Of course, it's not perfect. Its ray tracing performance isn't quite on par with what you'd get from a high-end NVIDIA card. And while Intel's drivers have improved a lot, they're still maturing on Windows. By the way, for Linux users, the support is surprisingly excellent. The B580 runs cool and quiet, and its compact, no-frills design will fit nicely in smaller builds. It's a practical, powerful choice that offers unique value, especially if you do more than just game.